Hello and welcome back, everybody. Hope you're all having a wonderful day and that you're able to get out to your garden today and get at least one thing done. Always makes for a good day, and whenever you're making progress towards your gardening goals, well, you know what that means. You're going to be reaping some heavy rewards in the future. I got to thinking today, I'm going to offer you guys a quick tip, the most pertinent piece of information that I can be giving you this time of year in the fall. One of the most important things you can do, seasoned gardener, new gardener, maybe you're thinking about getting a plot going next year. What can you do today which is going to save you a whole lot of time next year when you get to planting? So the first thing is you need to determine where your new garden bed is going to be, or if you've already got a garden bed, maybe you're going to expand it. Once you got the location pinned down, the one thing you could do right now is going to save you a bunch of time is to lay down some sort of a sheet mulch, which is going to kill back any weeds, any grass. It's going to keep that ground from sprouting any new seedlings, and it's really going to prepare it by smothering out anything that's already growing there and killing back everything, so that in the spring when you go to plant, makes it a whole lot easier, a whole lot faster. Now there are a host of materials that you can use to accomplish this. So anything from a tarp, you just want to weight down the corners with some bricks or rocks. But let's just say, for instance, I wanted to expand my garden plot here. I could literally just lay down a tarp here, put a bunch of rocks and bricks down, and all of this grass, anything that's growing here, is going to be dead by next spring when it comes time to start breaking ground and planting a new garden. Cardboard is another great material, one of my favorites. In fact, this entire backyard, which was mostly just grass and weeds, there was nothing edible growing back here, started out by getting a layer of that cardboard down with wood chips on top of it. The great thing about using biodegradable products such as the cardboard, or another good one is the Construction Craft, the brown paper, same material you find in brown paper bags. You can get that in a roll at your local Home Depot in the paint section. That also doesn't have any chemicals, it's organic, it'll break down. Just put some wood chips on top of that, and you're going to get the benefit of not only smothering out any weeds and grass, but you'll also be building your soil, and that's the name of the game. Build quality soil, grow quality plants. And this technique will also work for helping to keep your pathways clear of weeds and different plants sprouting up that you don't want. And the cardboard might look funny now, but once I get my mulch layer on here, whether it's wood chips or just chop and drop from the food forest, it just covers itself up. But what we've done, again, is kept our pathways nice and clear from any weeds sprouting up. And you can find free cardboard large pieces like this at pretty much any appliance store. If you've got a Costco membership, they got those flats in between the different pallets of product. And in most cases, there should be no issue with you collecting those. You can ask a manager there. Sometimes they'll even collect them for you. But we all know when it comes to gardening, one of the most dreaded things to have to deal with is the weeds. And so sheet mulching and preparing your ground ahead of time right now is going to save you so much time next year. You'll be so glad that you spent the whole 5 minutes it took right now covering that little swath of area where you want to grow. So that's my fall gardening tip. Do not miss your opportunity to capitalize on this slow time of the season and get ready for next year. It's going to pay off in a big way. If you've had success with this technique, or if you think that it's a good idea, I'd love to hear from you. Shoot me a comment down below and let me know. It's always a pleasure hearing from you guys, even if it's just to say hi. And if you found this video helpful or entertaining in any way, be sure to smash those thumbs. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. New videos every week, sometimes every day. And I'm always updating you guys on all the things going on around here, all the different projects. All right, everybody, have yourself a good one. I'll be talking to you again real soon.